Hi, my name is Håvard Knapskog. I'm head of process automation at Arbaflame. What I do is I study our process and I translate this into process automation software. Today I'll be talking about Cognite Data Fusion and how we use this to speed up our work and how we use it to solve our use cases. So we're looking at the CDF portal. Here we can browse raw data, we can find contextualized data. So I'll give you an example of contextualized data. I'll be looking for a PID. We have different types of files here. I'll filter for PIDs. I'm looking for a particular machine, a subsystem. So I'll be searching and we see I'm left with one PID. I want to check the temperature of this machine internally. I know there's a sensor there, but I want to find it using the PID. That's what I'm familiar with. So here you can see the PID with overlays. It has been contextualized. We can find data from our local SCADA system. So I don't have to go into different types of systems to find what I'm looking for. So here I'm able to see the temperature of the machine. So let's say I want to do some calculation on this. I know I have a flow transmitter here that has been faulty. So I'll be using charts for this. Charts is good for doing ad hoc analysis. So we're looking at a flow transmitter. I think there's something wrong here. I know there's a connection to other ones, so I'll pull up a couple more flow transmitters. I know the sum of these three should be 0. So I'll apply a simple calculation. Charts provides this functionality. You can make a calculation and it'll run online as you go. So it has a graphical interface. You can drag and drop. I'll add a subtraction function here. So I'll take one signal minus the other. Once you connect the dots, the calculation will start automatically. We'll see the results coming up. So I want to check if the first signal, if it equals the sum of the others, or let's say the subtraction. We'll see the results coming up here. It's matching quite well, but we have these dips going on. So I need to check the transmitter, or have somebody do it. If you wanna have an analysis visualized nice, and you want to come back to it, it's good to spend the time making a good-looking dashboard. We use Grafana for this. Grafana is one of the third-party tools supported by CDF. So we'll be heading over to Grafana. So here's an example of a visualization that we use when we study some of our heat accumulators. Before we had CDF and Grafana, we did a lot of manual work to get here. We had to log into different kind of subsystems, extract the data manually, plug it into some tool, maybe Excel, and make some graphs. Today we are able to quickly collect data from different subsystems, make it available to the entire team, and reapply these calculations on a wider time span. This is how we make our work more efficient with data analytics.